Oh, what are we?
My head. Huh? Cool. We've been stuck up into a lot of things.
Wait, why is
Even
it
Slinkies. What the heck? And the
Pink Cat? It said don't touch them. Pink Cat, if you touch them, you can't go to Zombie God jail. And you want to go there?
green spider. It doesn't make any sense.
Well, Pink Cat, stop touching that.
Rabbit cat, I'm just looking around, okay?
Well,
It's
it
not
doesn't
like
mean you have to
looking
touch
around
it.
and it's a bad idea.
I know, but I know you love touching stuff.
Rabbit cat, it's just because I'm looking around. Huh. This place is
Pink Cat,
cool.
Pink Cat, Pink Cat, let's take the Pink Cat, let's take the train. Pink Cat, come here.
Hey, Rabbit cat, you gotta look at this.
Oh my goodness. Pink Cat, let's just save the day. Let's go to Zombie God's dimension.
I thought we were going to John's dimension. He's the one that started all of this, even though he's the one that made him evil.
Yeah, let's go.
Then can we look around? It's really cool out here. This day just never gets old, does it? Rabbit cat, first before we go in, I think we need to go disguised. It's just like you're doing right now.
We're not disguising, Pink Cat. We're just wearing armor.
Rabbit cat, in this picture back, it looks like you're disguised.
I know, but Pink Cat, who's that? Pink Cat is some weird villager. Ah!
And Pink Cat
Ah!
Pink Cat turned into a
I can't fight.
Rabbit cat, I'm turning into a bat, okay?
Okay. Yeah, let's get in. What was that villager yelling about?
I don't know. Probably he's getting chased by John.
Oh yeah.
John.
Wait. John?
Yeah.
Wait, what the heck? We get John's place. It's not a good place. Well, I'm gonna pause the video. Pink Cat! Pink Cat.
Rabbit cat, it's behind you.
Ah!
Villager.
Is that a statue?
I don't think it's a statue, Rabbit cat. I think it's a literally a villager. Hello? Hello? It's saying moving. Ah, it's moving. It's moving. It's moving.
What kind of villager is this?
Sir? Are you okay? You're not speaking. Let's
You,
go.
hello! It's time to die! Wait, what?
Rabbit cat, I think it's time to run.
I am God mode.
Crap, he's in God mode? And here, hurry.
Cause it's probably a guard. Ah, those people got scared. They thought I was an actual villager. I just want them off my house. Oh, definitely heard that.
Ugh.
Let's
Does
tell
it
him
work
something.
for John?
Ah! Ah! What? This house has to be haunted.
You work for John because we heard everything that you said in that room.
Oh,
I'll slap you to make you talk.
wow. I was not talking to John. I have to get. Come on, Mr. Creeper. Ah!
That was weird. Oh well, let's keep going, Lapis Cat.
Pink Cat. I think the white villager is John.
I'm starting to think it too, but John, he doesn't have any eyes.
Pink Cat, get in the plant thing.
Lapis Cat.
What?
What? Heck.
What? Let me see what you're seeing.
Look at this! Heads, sharp eyeballs, they're everywhere!
Ew! I know they are. Oh, it's their blood. Pink Cat, what's
Rabbit's
look at
cat.
the villager. Ah, what are no. Oh, hold on. Let me give.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna pretend to be a statue. Actually,
I always forget to give people motivator. Become invisible. Yes.
okay, Rabbit's cat out back, okay?
Pink Cat,
And
we
that
might
was
need
a
to get
bat.
out of here.
That was a bat.
Is that a ghost villager? Is that a ghost villager? Pink Cat, you.
Look at the footprints. These are villager footprints. Oh my god.
Pink Cat, it's weird. We must have run. We need to run.
No, wait, Rabbit's cat.
Oh,
Follow these footprints.
I
They're
think it's.
villager footprints.
This is scary. Oh, what is this? Pink Cat, I think he's coming. Wait, he's not. I'm just joking around.
Rabbit's cat. Follow the footprints. Pretend to be that.
Oh, where's a fake bat? You're not my bat. Get out of here, or else I have to kill you. Out! Shoo, 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 shoo. Get out of my.
Rabbit's cat, you gotta look at this. Oh, wait, don't look at it.
Pink Cat, he doesn't like bats.
He doesn't like bats. There's a really hard show right now. Not everybody. Well,
Oh, that's kind of weird.
not everybody. Everybody hates bats. I'll just kidding.
Oh my gosh. Oh my.
Rabbit's cat. Rabbit's cat, come back.
Yes.
You have to look at it.
Oh, blood in a head.
It's Steve. Okay, Rabbit's cat, we gotta fix this.
Oh, this is how many people he killed.
No, these are how many people that are with him. Slenderman. It's a picture of him.
Pink Cat, look.
Why would this place be a total mess?
Pink Cat, look.
Wait, what? Oh, I thought we can name that one. I can't see a bat forever. I have to zoom back. That's
Okay.
come on.
Pink Cat.
Uh-oh.
Pink Cat. What?
Okay, I'm gonna pretend I'm eating this fake Steve head. Okay?
Oh my goodness. Pink Cat, stop disguising new camper.
I'm not disguising.
Do you know disguising's for campers, Pink Cat?
Lappy's cat, I always disguise. Lappy cat, I can literally turn.
Well, hello, guys. It is Zombie God.
Oh, come on.
Now you guys have to fight me, Pink Cat. You ready?
Whatever.
Okay. Pink Cat, you could do this.
Not the best you got.
Nope. I got. You want to fight me? You noob. You always camp.
Sorry, too slow.
You're making me ruin all my pictures. Ah!
Sorry, you're too slow for this. This is so easy.
You're literally watching my screen.
Sorry, bro. You're too hard.
Pink Cat, you can defeat him. I believe in you. Oh, my sword!
Oh, that was my sword.
That's okay, because I got another sword.
Oh,
Ching.
I am so freaking scared.
Pink Cat, you take the sword to kill him.
Oh,
Ah,
I'm gonna turn into a bat. And then I'm gonna suck your blood.
zombies!
Oh, great. Now you made me ruin your first day picture. Maybe I want to ruin more. I'm gonna suck these guys' blood like I never had.
Look, I'm gonna help you with the zombies. I have a good sword though.
Hey, zombie guy. Giving up yet?
No, don't kill all my zombies, you noob.
Bro, you're literally making this destroy your pictures.
Hey, you
There's
can't.
no limit on me.
Well, you're such a noob. You can't fight me. You noob. You can't fight. You're such a noob. I can't believe Luck's cat sister's a noob.
Right. I might be a noob.
You can't fight. See, you don't want to fight me. You
No.
dumb noob.
Right. I'm actually not good at fighting. Like, you don't have powers. You don't have really strong powers. Oh, I can make the black hole appear.
Try to catch me now. I got the antidote with off Halloween.
Oh, and I got a black hole. Bobby, you shut up.
Yeah. We get it, guys. Pink Cat is such a noob. She doesn't like fighting. She doesn't like anything. Yeah. She only says her powers work.
No, I don't.
You
All
are.
you use is
You're so
zombies.
trash. You don't know how to play Fortnite.
Well, my brother helped me. So why do you think I'm a noob?
All your favorite weapons is P90s and RPGs.
Well, you're
noob.
such a noob. You don't even know that I'm a ghost. And I have vampires, you dummy.
Yeah, let's fight.
You're such a noob that you can't even hit a freaking ghost. And you also broke John's house. He'll probably come home and beat you.
Bro, you're such a noob. Ah!
Ultimate is not gonna work.
Permission. John, I'm sorry I broke your house. But can I tell you something Pink Cat did? And broke your pictures.
You made me break the pictures.
mode.
Wait, don't have a sword. Wow. Just wow, Isaiah.
Ah! Ah!
Isaiah, give me a sword. Lapis Cat,
Ah!
I need another sword here. It's kind of getting great.
Now I have to teleport a player. Big Cat,
Lapis Cat, give me a sword.
I don't have a sword. Big Cat, there's a leftover
Oh.
sword.
This thing will work. Hey, Zombie God, how do you get out of your lonely apartment or house and fight?
Okay, let's just fight with the hands. No swords.
That's what a noob would do.
No, let's just fight with hands, since we have power hands. Get it? Or you want to fight with a sword like a dumb noob?
Well, guess what? Every time I fight with
Ah!
my hands,
Ow!
I say I'm a noob at it.
How are you so good at freaking dodging?
I said I would not go help. I said teleport me. Teleport me.
Hold on, let me break this.
No, teleport me. Teleport me.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, Zombie God, you're so annoying when you fight. You fight like a little baby.
Hey!
I know I might be stronger than you, but doesn't mean I'm not magic, bro. Oh, wait, I need to do something for 1 teeny tiny second. Japan, I'm gonna suck that blood.
I don't have blood.
Old zombie.
Ah!
Okay,
You killed him!
I need a bet with him secretly. If I win, he'll give us our world back. And if I lose, he gets to keep it for all
Whoa.
eternity and I won.
Uh-oh. We're going back home in the next episode.